buddy. Thought it was a bear, a beaver. Yeah, here at the Pathfinder Park in the woods at 7:30, Thursday, May 4th, 2017, in the PM. Yeah, it sure is pretty out here. I know there are bear that have been sighted in these little woods here. No such luck. Not tonight. It sure did look like a bear though across the river on the bank. But then it got into the water and it was clearly a beaver. Still pretty cool to see. Yeah, it's man, I'll tell you what, this spring so far has really been nice. Temps have been pretty much great. And it's lasted a little while too. It got a touch hot today for a little bit, then it didn't last long though. All right, buddy. You go ahead, Rip. Go on. Go on ahead. Go on. Go on. Go on ahead. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, I've seen fox back here. Lots of deer. Plenty of beaver. Coyote. I think turkeys. But I haven't seen a bear in this actual neck of the woods yet. I've seen them half mile from here. Maybe 2 miles, maybe a mile or two. Oh yeah, woodpeckers, soft-shelled turtle, croaking bullfrogs.